The rise of 3D printed housing is transforming the construction landscape, offering not only a solution to challenges, but also unlocking a future where building a house is as efficient as imagining it. From the magnificence of a 3D printed office building in Dubai to the intricacies of a bio-sourced home in Nantes, France, the game-changing impact is tangible. Join the journey as we explore how 3D printed housing isn't just about homes, it's about shaping a manageable, personalized, and cost-effective way of living. The rise of 3D printed buildings. In 2014, China made history by unveiling the world's first 3D printed house using a massive 3D printer. Since then, companies like Contour Crafting, Winsun, and Apiscore have joined the movement, showcasing the versatility of 3D printing technology in constructing houses, apartments, and even commercial buildings. Employing robotic arms and various materials like concrete, clay, and plastic, these innovators are changing the face of construction. 3D printing in construction brings several advantages over traditional methods, offering faster production, reduced waste, and enhanced precision. With the help of robotic arms, construction times can be slashed by up to 70%, and a significant 60% can minimize waste. The remarkable precision of 3D printing allows for the creation of intricate designs and curves that were once impossible with conventional building techniques. It's a game changer in the construction industry, paving the way for a more efficient and sustainable future. Let's explore the diverse wonders of 3D printing. In construction, 3D printing marvels around the world. The 3D printing realm witnessed remarkable achievements, notably in 2019 when Icon, a Texas-based startup, 3D printed a house in under 24 hours for $10,000. Their Vulcan 2 printer later constructed an entire community in Mexico, showcasing its transformative potential. Meanwhile, Dubai aims to 3D print 25% of its buildings by 2030, with Apiscore already completing an office building as a testament to this vision. Nantes, France, contributed to global innovation with a project led by the University of Nantes, using a robot to 3D print a house in just 18 days. What sets it apart is the use of a bio-sourced material, comprising 80% plant-based and 20% mineral-based components, highlighting the evolving possibilities in the 3D printing landscape. Now let's talk about the advantages. Unveiling the perks of 3D printed homes. 3D printing technology is revolutionizing construction by offering astounding speed, turning weeks of construction into days, and showcasing eco-friendliness through minimized waste and sustainable materials. Affordability takes center stage, with 3D printed houses often costing less due to reduced traditional labor needs. The innovation extends to design, enabling easy customization of unique and intricate structures previously unimaginable. The versatility of 3D printing even reaches modular homes, providing homeowners with the flexibility of easy assembly and disassembly. It's not just construction, it's a personalized, sustainable, and cost-effective approach to shaping the homes of tomorrow. While 3D printed houses are gaining popularity, their current size limitations, often tailored for single-family use, present challenges in meeting diverse housing needs. Navigating challenges in the 3D printed housing frontier. While 3D printed housing gains traction, challenges impede widespread adoption. The size of these houses remains limited, tailored mostly for single-family use. Material durability and passing stress tests pose hurdles, compounded by restricted material options and the technology's cost, limiting access for many companies. Another hurdle is the absence of tailored regulations, requiring governments to establish guidelines for safety and durability as 3D printed houses become more prevalent. Despite these challenges, the future holds promise, with ongoing advancements in materials and technology suggesting that 3D printed houses could soon revolutionize construction, providing affordable and sustainable housing globally. With the potential to build on distant planets like Mars, How is 3D printed housing contributing to a visionary approach in construction? Let's find out. The game-changing impact of 3D printed housing. The flow of 3D printed housing technology has the power to revolutionize construction by offering a swift, cost-effective solution that reduces labor and overall costs. Its adaptability shines in constructing buildings in hard-to-reach areas, including disaster-stricken or remote locations. Beyond financial benefits, the potential to build on distant planets like Mars adds a visionary dimension. With a focus on sustainability, 3D printing holds the promise of eco-friendly practices, minimizing waste, and creating energy-efficient designs. This ripple effect extends globally, providing more affordable and accessible housing solutions, potentially transforming societies and economies. Additionally, the technology's inclusivity may tailor housing solutions for individuals with disabilities, enhancing their quality of life. As 3D printed housing evolves, its revolutionary impact on the construction industry and how we live becomes increasingly evident. The future of 3D printed housing is set to witness transformative material advancements, with wood and bioplastics leading the charge. The evolving landscape of 3D printed housing. The future of 3D printed housing technology is brimming with possibilities that could reshape the construction industry. Anticipate a wave of innovation driven by new materials such as wood and bioplastics, diversifying the industry and offering sustainable alternatives. Beyond materials, the prospect of automation looms large, promising to streamline the printing process and further cut down on labor needs in construction. A particularly thrilling advancement on the horizon is the potential to 3D print entire houses in a single day. Thanks to the development of larger and faster 3D printers, the construction process is poised to be completed at an unprecedented speed compared to traditional building methods. The road ahead holds the promise of efficiency, sustainability, and a revolution in the way we construct homes and buildings. In what ways do you believe 3D printing technology can address current challenges in the construction industry, such as speed, cost, and sustainability? Let us know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more like it, leave a like and subscribe to our channel if you haven't already. Tap the bell icon to turn on notifications to stay updated with all our latest videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.